So anyone know what this noise is? Because it's only started doing it. Don't know whether it's anything to worry about or what. I'd just like to know if anyone's ever come across it before. Ford Fiesta Mark 6, 2005. Cheers.